All right, good morning, folks. Happy Friday. It's about 8:45 a.m. Couple things for you ahead of the cash open. We saw a pretty nice bounce in the NQ off the 200 SMA yesterday. If we jump over here to the 1 hour, right around 3, 4 o'clock this morning, we did come up here and test the falling 200 SMA. A lot of times, the first test of the falling 200, you are going to find a little resistance. Now we've got this 1 hour squeeze. What I would watch here into the open, 1 hour 21 EMA. The over-under game at the hourly 21. If they keep on hanging out below it, momentum shifts back below zero. Better chance at some point the squeeze breaks short. If they can prop price back above the 21, at some point a better chance they might want to go for round two, and potentially the official break above that 200 SMA. Whether it fires long or fires short, pretty good chance that might set the tone for the afternoon. S&P futures didn't quite smooch the 200, but pretty similar idea. Pop up towards the falling 200 SMA, pull back towards the hourly 21, and now we got the squeeze. Might fire long, might fire short, might not fire at all. Either which way will set the tone here. So keep an eye on that, and then for open trades, we are short Tesla and long some TSM. The Tesla short, 200-205 call credit spread for next Friday. What I'm anchoring to is the daily 200 and the weekly 21 EMA. If they can keep price below those two levels, I want to keep on holding that call credit spread. Below those levels, and we're rolling into Wednesday, Thursday of next week, we shall get some premium coming into the old pocket. If they put it back above that 205-ish, would look to cover the short. It'll be more of a market thing than a Tesla thing. And then TSM, we bought some calls here that expired today, and we bought these before the close off of the 15-minute end-of-day squeeze. And there was a handful of good-looking 15-minute squeezes yesterday. Right now in the pre-market, we are up about 2% and change. With about 40 minutes until the open, subject to change. I think it'll come down to the NQ. Whether or not they can stick the landing. NQ fires the hourly squeeze short. I don't think will help TSM here. NQ gets back above the hourly mean. Might help TSM keep the bid here into the open. Pre-market quote of 168-ish. My game plan here for the calls, given the fact they expired today, gap it up at the open, I would look to take profit. 168, 169 takes us back to our daily 50. Should that be a level of resistance? The calls expire in a handful of hours. Don't want to give back the open profit. Gap it up at the open, ring the register, and then in a perfect world, they gap it up. We take our cash, and then the market falls apart, and Tesla's back down towards 180. In a perfect world. But alright, folks, that's the bulk of it for this morning. NQ, hourly 200 SMA, very important over-under level. We can't get above that at any point. Might be all she wrote here as far as the pop. We do get back above that, and I think we see a bit more of a short squeeze. Happy Friday, go kick some ass, and I'll talk to you all soon. Adios.